Today, we're cooking a turkey. Gotta melt your butter for a good base. Make sure you spread it around. And don't forget to drill your hole to hang the turkey. Remember to grab your favorite seasoning. You want even seasoning all the way around. A great tool for this, the PCS 150. I almost forgot, a good ground is crucial to an even coating. Most important thing in cooking a turkey, 350 degrees, 13 minutes per pound. Can't forget the sides. After 3 hours, you can go ahead and check the temp. Now it's time to carve and enjoy. And don't forget, invite your friends. That was yummy.